welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I posted a makeup tutorial for you guys, nonetheless a YouTube video, but I am back. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Virginia. So for today's video, I thought I'd show you guys this beautiful lilac light purple makeup tutorial for you guys. So if you guys want to see this makeup tutorial, then go ahead and keep watching, but don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and give my video a thumbs up. So let's just go ahead and get started. For today's primer, I'm using the NYX Angel Veil Perfecting Primer. It's this one right here. For foundation, I'm going to be using my good old trusty L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear. This one right here. There is a L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear, the powder version, and it like went viral on TikTok like so. And then there's another one that went viral, the Kat Von D. That one went viral on TikTok as well. And every time I look at it on Sephora, it's still sold out. So hopefully one of these days I can get to it. But I'm just gonna be taking this one to today because it's one of my favorite drugstore foundations. How it's very affordable. I believe it's like $10.99 or $11, something like that. So it's this one. I'm in the shade 475. I got a darker color because it's spring and summertime and I usually am a bit darker. So I'm just gonna pat this onto my skin. How y'all been today? How has your 2021 been? The reason I've been MIA is because I've been at school. Beginning of the year, January, February, a little bit of March, I was in class. I took a flex term. So I believe it's like a 10-week course instead of like a full semester course, and I passed. Where I've been, and then I've just been working and stuff like that. So let me know in the comments below if you guys prefer me to upload during the week or during the weekends. Like, see, look how pretty that foundation is. Like, I really enjoy it. A natural finish, not matte, it's not all dewy, it's like a little satin natural finish, which I enjoy. So I'm gonna let that sit. Concealer, haven't used this one in a long time. It's my Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer. I have two shades, but the shade I'm gonna be using today is 31.5. This one right here. Oh, and my boyfriend and I got our first dose of the COVID vaccine on the, was it last week? This last Monday, I believe it's been a week already. We both got Pfizer. About an hour in line, but I mean, I took that day off and the next day just in case like I got a reaction, and he took the rest of the day off from work in case he got a reaction. But none of us, neither of us really had any like severe reactions, just the typical soreness on the upper arm. And then I had a headache Monday night, but that went away the next day, so we got lucky on that one. I believe one of my co-workers, she got her first dose as well, and she didn't get a reaction out of it. My other co-worker, unfortunately, she did get a reaction, but she was better within a couple of days, so that's good. I believe that one, I believe she's fully vaccinated already. I think it's just me and my other co-worker. We're getting our second vaccinations towards like the end of April. My manager hasn't gotten hers yet, so, you know, want to be as healthy as I can be, not only for myself, but for my family and those around me. And, you know, I just want to travel as well. Sure, just like all of us. So, oh wow, I missed that concealer. It's very pretty. Cream bronzer in the shade Cheeks Out. This is the cream bronzer. Just a tip, if you don't know this already, if you're gonna do all creams, make sure you do your creams first before your powder, because you don't want to put cream and then powder then cream again on top of the powder. Then it's going to look all blotchy and it's just going to ruin your whole makeup look. So if you're going to do creams, make sure you put it on first before you set it with your powders. My friends, they are fully vaccinated. My family, my mom, my grandpa, they're vaccinated. I think my dad is about to get a second dose, I believe. But yeah, almost everyone I know is vaccinated. Family misses going to WinStar, so they're heading to WinStar in probably a week and a half, in a couple of weeks. Can't go because the next day I have to wake up early and get my second dose of the vaccine. So if I didn't have to wake up that early and be there that early, then I would definitely go to WinStar with the family. Just a favorite place for us to all be together and have that family bonding time. So everything that's been going on with 2020 and then the start of this year, just nice to just spend time with family. Set my face. I'm gonna just set my T-zone. I'm not gonna set my under eyes because the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer is already self-setting anyways. So I'm just gonna lightly set my under eyes really quick. Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm taking it on a tapered brush from Real Techniques. Everything that I use in today's video, I'll list it in my description box for you guys. But I love Real Techniques brushes and its beauty sponge. You can get it at Ulta, Target. It's just very affordable. And I believe it's just a really good like beginner set as well if you're starting on makeup, or if you just want an affordable set of makeup brushes. Real Techniques is the way to go. To set my bronzer with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. My Japanesque brush. I love this. You can get this one at Ulta. Looks like so. I just like how tapered, a little bit tapered it is at the top, so you can really get in those cheeks, those cheekbones. So I'm just taking my butter bronzer, just like that. I'm in the shade Deep Bronzer. For highlight, I'll be taking Wet n Wild highlight in this shade Precious Petals. This one right here. I know I barely have put a dent in any of my makeup just because I haven't been wearing it. So I'm gonna be using like this rosy blush. It's from Dome Cosmetics. It's in their shade English Rose. So I'm just gonna put it in between the highlight and the bronzer, just so we can mesh them all together. Just bring it up to your temples. Taking the Sailor Moon ColourPop collab, Rina on there, and then the colors are just to die for. Maybe I'll go for like a lilac eye look today to match my shirt. Why not? So I'll be very bad with palettes that have the names on the back, because I don't know if it coordinates like this, like, you know, this shade, is it the one right behind it, or is it like the opposite one? You know what I mean? Do y'all have the same problem? Let me know in the comments down below. Moon Castle, it's this one right here. Now my allergies have been so bad. My allergies are very bad every spring, and every spring just keep watering, and they are just, my mom was like, are your eyes still itchy? I'm like, yes. Like, they're just crusty and stuff. It's just, ugh, it's not nice. It's not nice to look at. It's just very dry and flaky, and I put lotion on it and creams on it, like heavy moisturizing cream. That's the only thing I don't like about spring, is just allergies. And then the mosquitoes come out, and the mosquitoes love me for whatever reason, and it's ridiculous. Oh, Romance, this one right here. I'm gonna put that in the crease as well and buff it out. shade, I'm going to take this more of like metallic-y chrome purple right on top of it, Luna. This one right here. I'm just like lightly tapping it. I did not wet this brush either. This is literally the pigmentation of it. But you can also use your finger as well. Take a clean, fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna blend all of this together. For my inner corner highlight, I'm just gonna be using Shining Moon. Let me see if it'll even pop first. Not as bright as I want it to. Over Millennium instead on the inner corner, because it was that pop I was looking for. It's like a peachy-ish gold foiled shadow. It's very pretty. I don't even know if you still see it, to be honest. Wing liner, I'm using my NYX liquid matte liner. So ignore my wing eyeliner because it is a hot mess. I haven't done wing eyeliner in forever. You don't have to put any liner on top. You can just curl your lashes, bada bing, bada boom. If you want to put falsies, you can, but you don't need to put eyeliner if you don't want to. But I wanted to because I'm a liner lash girl. Like, I have to have lashes and liner. So I am going to put on my falsies and I'll be right back. Right, your girl's lashes are on. I just used House of Lashes lashes. I believe these are the Allura Lights. Almost done with this look. I am going to take a small detailed brush and just run through the same colors I did at the top of my lid. I'm just gonna put it at the bottom. So the two purple colors go at the bottom. I know for some this is probably too much color, but you can always do a wing liner look, lashes, and then you can do your pop of color at the inner corner or at the bottom of your lash line. I'm keeping my lips really simple. Of course, it's a nude. I'm using the LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liner, shade Nonstop Nude. This one right here. This is such an affordable brand. I usually get mine at Ulta, and it's only like a few bucks, but it has such nice pigmentation, and it's creamy. So I'm just gonna use this to line my lips. On top, I'm going to be using my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade London. This one right here. Keep it like so, or if you want to put a gloss on top, you can, but I'm going to keep it like this for today, or tonight actually. Setting spray, I'm going to use the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray, this one right here. I like how I'm setting my face, but I'm gonna take it right off after this. Let that dry. All right, you guys, this is the finished makeup look right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and give my video a thumbs up. And make sure you follow me on Instagram. I do post on there, and I do talk on IG stories as well, and I do some IGTV and reels, things like that. So make sure you follow me on there. I'll link everything down below. But anyways, I hope you guys have a good rest of your evening. I'll see y'all later. Bye.